I was a kid, I was sitting in his shop when he was redoing that truck.
For the Bird family, damage is everywhere. Their home, the boat, and these prized classic cars. Allison and Darren weren't here when the tornado hit. Still, it's impacted their family.
I've been trying to buy that since 2012.
Darren was 2 hours from finishing a 3-year restoration project of this now tornado-damaged 56 Ford Thunderbird.
You're gonna want to turn the steering wheel a little bit this way.
Like their home, it too can be rebuilt. No one was hurt, and tonight, help is here.
Helping at this point is really important. I think that at some level, we all have something we can help with.
More than 50 members of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints arrived to help pick up the pieces.
It's really heartwarming in a sense that we get to really come together and we all get to see the best of each other and see where our heart comes out to one another.
One of the local schools gave us boxes to bring so they can pack up their stuff. Other people have volunteer time, other people volunteer money, but everything we can do to help our neighbors is really important.
They serve to rebuild the community, starting with the Bird family, knowing that everything can be rebuilt and restored.
Thanks. Awesome.